Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. Our news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded between 1 to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. XRP's recent price rally, buoyed by a momentous court victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, seems to be reaching a crucial juncture as its trading volume shows signs of decline. The token, currently trading near its local top, has relied on substantial trading activity to propel its impressive price surge. However, the recent drop in trading volume is causing some concerns, possibly hinting at a shift in market sentiment. The dwindling trading volume indicates a decrease in the number of transactions involving XRP. In the context of a price rally, such a decline often suggests that traders might be taking profits or reducing their purchasing activities, potentially anticipating a shift in the market's direction. Furthermore, considering that XRP is already trading near its local top, it becomes apparent that we may be approaching a pivotal moment in the token's recent price trajectory. Should this reduction in volume persist, it could lead to a price reversal. During a rally, a high trading volume typically indicates robust investor interest and confidence in the asset's potential. Conversely, as the volume wanes, it may indicate diminishing interest and the possibility of an imminent sell-off. The evolving trading volume of XRP presents a critical aspect to monitor, as it can provide valuable insights into the sentiment of investors and traders. As the market's conditions continue to fluctuate, keeping a close eye on XRP's trading volume will be essential in gauging its future price movements. AI Xrp New News Update. In an impressive turn of events, Ripple's XRP experienced a remarkable surge of almost 100% last week. The catalyst behind this meteoric rise was a definitive court ruling that cleared XRP from being classified as a security. As a result, the digital currency has continued its ascent, recording an 8% increase and breaking a 6-year resistance line on the Quarterly Relative Strength Index, RSI. Amidst a shifting cryptocurrency market, XRP stands out as a beacon of hope, invigorated by the favorable court ruling. The U.S. judge's decision that retail sales of XRP did not constitute unregistered securities sales, as previously alleged by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has not only strengthened XRP, but also revitalized other altcoins like Solana and Polygon, each witnessing significant price increases of 20 to 30% post-ruling. Outperforming all others, Ripple's XRP experienced an almost instantaneous doubling in price following the court announcement, ultimately stabilizing around 75 cents per XRP. Presently, XRP is trading at approximately 84 cents, solidifying its position and indicating a remarkable leap in value. This substantial increase in XRP's value has led to a significant upsurge in long-term momentum, as evidenced by the breached 6-year downtrend resistance trend line on the quarterly RSI. This breakthrough hints at potentially favorable market conditions for the cryptocurrency, suggesting clear skies ahead. The Quarterly Relative Strength Index, RSI, especially on high timeframes like the 3-month candle, is a powerful signal indicating considerable strength and buying pressure. Such dominant signals can override any daily or weekly signals. For XRP to maintain its impressive climb, it will need to surpass the highs seen in 2020 and 2021 on the 3-month RSI. Achieving a higher high on the RSI, particularly after touching oversold conditions, often acts as a robust buy signal. The stage is now set for an intriguing narrative to unfold, and the critical question is whether XRP will capitalize on this momentum to write a new chapter in its journey. Investors and enthusiasts will be closely watching to see how the situation unfolds in the days to come. AI Xrp New News Update. An interesting observation is that the potential downside target for XRP's price correction is close to its 50-week exponential moving average, 50-week EMA. This proximity raises the possibility of a bounce occurring around this level, as the 50-week EMA previously acted as a local bottom during the price decline experienced in Q2 2021. The historical significance of this moving average suggests it could potentially provide support during a market correction. As of July 20th, XRP's price has surged impressively, with a remarkable 70% increase month to date. This outstanding performance has surpassed the broader cryptocurrency market, which has seen a modest 5% rise in the same period. While XRP's recent gains are noteworthy and have outperformed the overall crypto market, it's important to remain cautious given the technical indicators pointing to potential downside risks. The descending trendline resistance and overbought RSI indicate a possibility of a market correction, which could potentially bring XRP's price closer to the 50-week EMA level. Investors should keep a close eye on the market dynamics and be prepared for potential price fluctuations in XRP in the near future. Xrp New News Update. Last week's highly publicized decision in the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) case against Ripple, which has been hailed as a significant victory against the SEC and Chairman Gary Gensler, might not mark the end of the story, according to former SEC Attorney John Reed Stark. Stark cautions against premature celebrations, highlighting the decision's shaky ground and the likelihood of an appeal that could potentially lead to a reversal. He challenges the prevailing narrative surrounding the ruling and points out several concerns regarding the court's categorization of Ripple's securities offering. The court ruling classified the company's offering into three distinct categories: institutional sales, programmatic sales, and other sales, with each category having its legal implications for Ripple and its investors. For institutional sales, the court deemed Ripple's sale of XRP to sophisticated individuals and entities a violation of securities laws, ruling that XRP was a security during these transactions, entitling investors to rescission and imposing penalties on Ripple. Regarding programmatic sales, where XRP was sold to the public on digital asset exchanges, the court ruled that XRP ceased to be a security once it was sold anonymously to exchanges. The court concluded that the profit expectations of programmatic buyers were independent of Ripple's efforts. Stark expresses concerns about the decision, particularly in the differentiation between institutional and retail investors. He argues that the ruling grants full SEC protection to institutional investors, while leaving retail investors without such protection, which he views as a backward approach. Moreover, Stark disagrees with the presumption that securities regulations do not apply if tokens are sold through exchanges. He finds this argument contradictory to established principles of securities law. Stark also takes issue with the court's distinction between tokens awarded to employees and third parties, arguing that these distributions should be considered compensation and subject to securities laws. The ruling's implications could be far-reaching, and Stark predicts that the SEC will likely appeal the decision to the Second Circuit. The outcome of the appeal and future cases could shape the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency offerings. In conclusion, the Ripple decision raises important issues concerning investor protection, the classification of tokens as securities, and the distinction between institutional and retail investors. The case's future remains uncertain, and it highlights the complexity of legal matters related to cryptocurrencies. Xrp New News Update. The U.S. Federal Reserve has unveiled the much-anticipated FedNow service, aiming to modernize the country's payment system by enabling Americans to send and receive funds in seconds, 24/7. The service seeks to eliminate the typical several-day lag in cash transfers, bringing the U.S. in line with other countries like the UK, India, Brazil, and the EU, where similar systems have been in place for years. FedNow, in development since 2019, launches with 41 banks and 15 service providers certified to use it, including JP Morgan Chase, Bank of New York Mellon, and US Bancorp. The Federal Reserve plans to onboard more banks and credit unions this year. Currently, 35 banks and credit unions, along with the Treasury Department's Bureau of Fiscal Service, are already utilizing the service. The service is set to compete with private sector real-time payments systems like the clearinghouse's RTP network. Initially met with resistance from big banks who saw it as redundant, many have now agreed to participate, recognizing its potential to expand the services they can offer clients. Unlike intermediary services like Venmo or PayPal, FedNow will settle payments directly in central bank accounts, providing a competitive edge for banks and benefiting consumers and small businesses the most. Smaller banks, often relying on larger lenders to access FedWire, encourage the development of FedNow, as it would allow them access to real-time payments without relying on larger competitors. Senator Chris Van Hollen praised the launch of FedNow, emphasizing its benefits for American consumers and the economy, saving billions of dollars annually. While some concerns have been raised about potential bank runs facilitated by FedNow's fast outflows, Fed officials assert that banks have tools to mitigate such risks. At the outset, FedNow will have a $500,000 maximum payment limit, which participating banks can choose to lower if necessary. The service will not charge consumers, but it's unclear how banks will pass on any associated costs. Xrp New News Update. Xrp has been subject to various bold price predictions, with a popular technical crypto analyst suggesting a potential surge to $18 if a unique historical pattern holds true. The prediction is based on a pattern of recurrent dips and rebounds seen on Xrp's daily trading charts. Following a recent peak at $0.9380, the analyst anticipates a drop to 52 cents, followed by a surge to $4.30. After reaching this point, the analyst predicts another drop to $1.06 before rising to $7.40, and eventually continuing upwards to reach the impressive $18 mark, representing a significant 2,400% increase from its current price. It's worth noting that while this analysis has been relatively accurate so far, its future reliability remains uncertain. Past performance is not always a reliable indicator of future price movements, as analysts often caution investors. Xrp's recent surge in trading volume has positioned it at the top of the cryptocurrency market, accounting for a remarkable 21% of the market's volume. This increase in volume followed a significant price explosion of over 60% in just 1 week. The surge in Xrp's trading volume came after a federal judge in New York determined that the Xrp token is not necessarily a security on its face, during the legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Several analysts have expressed bullish sentiment on Xrp after the court ruling. Another popular crypto analyst has even predicted a potential price explosion to $6 for the cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, other analysts have suggested the possibility of a downward adjustment to around 65 cents for Xrp, which could pave the way for a bullish resurgence. According to their analysis, this post-dip rally could push Xrp's value to a high of 90 cents. As with all price predictions, market dynamics are subject to change, and investors should exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. Patrick Riley, the 2024 Republican U.S. presidential candidate, has boldly declared on Twitter that Xrp will surpass Bitcoin, BTC, as the top cryptocurrency when its trading price reaches $11. This prediction has sparked intrigue but also skepticism from some observers. Riley is confident in Xrp's potential and believes that when it reaches $11, it will surpass Bitcoin's long-standing market dominance. However, some commentators point out that no coin has ever managed to overthrow Bitcoin's market cap, making it difficult to predict such an event. Riley countered by mentioning a brief period in 2017 when Xrp briefly flipped Ethereum. Others expressed doubt, arguing that if Xrp rises to $11, Bitcoin would likely experience a surge as well, creating fierce competition. Riley hints at a potential decoupling from Bitcoin, suggesting that Xrp may forge its own path and not necessarily follow BTC's trajectory. The growing momentum behind Xrp has caught the attention of the crypto community. Xrp advocates highlight how some Bitcoin maximalists once predicted Xrp's demise. However, the reality of dethroning Bitcoin remains a considerable challenge for any cryptocurrency due to Bitcoin's established market dominance, widespread adoption, and strong network effects. While it is uncertain whether Riley's prediction will come true, the crypto space is ever-changing, and unexpected shifts have occurred in the past. While Xrp faces an uphill battle to overcome Bitcoin's position, it serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of the crypto market, where surprises and paradigm shifts can reshape the landscape. Only time will tell if Xrp can fulfill Riley's bold claim of surpassing Bitcoin. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.